2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Ora viva, bom dia, daqui é o vosso Xauusd. Estamos de volta a mais uma sessão de negociação. Estamos diante da sessão londrina e estamos à procura de compras no Xauusd. Mas antes de começarmos, eu gostaria de dizer aqui, siga o canal do YouTube, se ainda não segue, e também siga o Xauusd no Instagram. E se você quiser fazer parte do meu Telegram, onde eu posso dar o acompanhamento adequado para aquele que necessita aprender mais sobre o mercado Forex, então estás no melhor lugar. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is your boy Xauusd and I'm back with another YouTube live stream. Today we're looking at gold. So far so good in terms of structure mapping. We're looking to buy gold all the way to 4,255. So stay put, stay tuned. If you do not follow me yet, follow me, like and subscribe to my channel. Please look into at the link in the description if you'd like to open a trading account, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So let's go. First things first, as you can see, we are on a 1 minute time frame, and this is going to decide how we are going to take these trades. Initially we looked at this level, okay, prior to this live stream. This was our initial entry points. We needed an activation here. Let's just wait and see why. Let me close this and then open it again. All right, just give me a moment. Let's go. Let me see here. So here we are on trading view. This was the initial trading setup, but for those of you who just got on the live stream, let's start all over. Okay, you need to understand where we are coming from. So first things first, open trading view and let's go. Today we are going to do a few parallel analysis in order to back the setup that we're trying to take. So to start the trading session, we're going to go on the daily time frame. Okay, let's just confirm if we have any important news here. So here we are on the daily time frame. We are at a key level right now. Let's not forget this, but our main focus is the previous daily candle. All right, so we start by mapping out the previous daily high. So this will be PDH, which was our previous buy side liquidity that was taken. This will be our PDL. Okay, PDL, and now it becomes our sell side liquidity, or ERL, external liquidity. All right, so this is it. Let me put it like this. Let me also put this one like this, and this is going to be our current target. Okay, for now. T. All right, based on this information, we can use our Fibonacci retracement tool to mark our entry level, our main possible buy zone here, all right. This is on the D1, remember, daily time frame, buy zone. As you can see, price has closely tapped into that area with a wick not reaching the level. When this happens, we normally would like to see price tapping into that level before doing the move. Okay, stop losses, safe zone for stop losses will be down below. Okay, this will be for conservative. See, SL, and this will be for the extreme traders. Okay, so if you are a trader that would enter this for a swing trade, your stop loss would have to be here. It's really far, I know, but yes, you open a small lot size stop loss down below. Now let's go and remove this Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's mark out our Gann box to see the premium and discount of this trade, if I have to consider the current trade, but let's consider the previous one. So this was 50% of that level, which means price already gave a discount. Ok, so 50%. Para o pessoal que está a assistir em português, eu vou dar sim uma explanação do que estou aqui a fazer em português também. So here we are. Okay, now this has been perfectly mapped out for us. We have to remember that this is where we don't want price to go, alright? We don't want price to go below these levels. And in order for us to have extreme buys, we need to be above this area. Okay, we need to be above this area here. Okay, so we need a break above for buys, buy continuation, and a break below for sell. Okay, break below for extreme sells. All right, so this is it. Basically, this is the checklist. All right, this is your, you know, when a pilot is going to fly to a foreign country, before departure he has a checklist to go through. All right, while the clients are on board or are boarding the plane, after boarding the plane, you are all obliged to put on your seatbelts, read the instructions, look for your safety gear, and so on. So this is what we do here as well. Okay, we have to check and make sure that things are in check in order for us to consider the directional bias that we have. And as of right now, things look perfectly good for me. I hope that you guys are able to hear me. I hope that the sound is good. If the volume is too loud, please let me know so that I can reduce the background music volume. But things are going to get interesting as we believe that gold is going to go higher and higher and higher. We had a very tough week. For those of you who trade with me, you know that this week was really tough, and it's going to get worse next week. But as usual, we never give up. We never give up. We always keep on pushing and pushing and pushing, and we will keep doing so until there's nothing left to push. Let me just make sure that you guys are able to hear me, okay? So I'll reduce the background. I'll reduce the background music. I need to be heard. This needs to be heard by everybody. Let's go. Forgive me for this interruption, but let's go. So here we are once again. Gold is doing exactly what we wanted it to do. But let's go. Let's keep moving. All right. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, this is exactly what we wanted to see. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Forgive me for this. Let me just make sure that I stretch out this level properly. So this is the buy zone from the daily time frame. This is the zone that we marked out on the daily time frame as well. So I'm just making adjustments so that everything looks perfect and in place. Remember that this is the IPD trading strategy. Immediate price delivery. What we want to see is price closing above this area and opening a next 1-hour candle to the bullish side or to the upside. So how would this trade look like? On the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that everything is in our favor for now. Okay, we need one more and a push to the upside. If we can get this push to the upside during London session, New York session will just confirm our entry. And remember that if price does leave without coming to retest the area, this means that New York session will come and do this, all right? And then go. So please remember this, mark out your zones, leave everything marked out, and let's push, guys, let's push. I will put this here. Some people consider this already the entry. I'm already in, by the way. Target number 1. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, this was going to be target number 1, target number 2. Let's go. Target number 3 and target number 4. If you catch this trade, you are done for the month, all right? Então, para aqueles que estão nos assistir e nos acompanhar em português, quero que saibam que quem pegar este setup terá o movimento do mês, ok? Movimento mais esperado. Caso o preço respeitar esta zona, ok? Enquanto o preço não passar desta zona e respeitar o nosso setup, o último target é ali em cima, ok? Então vamos lá finalizar esta análise. So we will go now to the 1-hour time frame, and we are going to wait for the most important closing of the day. So the 1-hour time frame will give us a confirmation on the close of the candle, all right? So let me just place this here. I need to be very sure about where I put my zones, because this is really important, all right? This is really important. This is also really important. Okay, so there we go. The targets as well. Let me put previous daily high is here. Previous daily target is here. We need a break above this area. So I'm just putting the price points, all right? And this is the all-time high, okay? All-time high is right here. So I can just write it, ATH, all right? This is going to be our target and the all-time high as well. So okay, there we go. Now we have to move to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, this is what we want to see, okay? On the 1 hour time frame, we would like to have a close above this level right here. All right? If we get a close above this level, all right? If we get a close above this level here, let me just mark it out for you guys so that you guys are able to see. Okay, so we need a close above this level. Okay, 1 hour close. This candle that closes in 17 minutes has to close like this here, okay? Not the wick, the body. The body of the candle has to close above. Once the candle is closed, need a close above the level. I'll just put it here so that it is visible. Close above the level, and then we need to feel the imbalance. Okay, we need to feel this void, and after feeling the void, things get really amazing. You know what's going to happen? Gold is going to fly. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Wow, it looks beautiful, very much. It looks so beautiful. I don't know if you'll find somewhere else. This is like a silhouette, you know? Perfect, this is perfect. Guys, when you follow price, things get easier. You don't have to go against the trend, man. Just go against the trend, and then you see what happens. Follow the trend, and things get easier. You follow price. It's like music, orchestra. So here we are. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. It's basically the most beautiful setup I've ever done in 2025. So now we wait and see what happens. Wow, guys, wow. If you're watching, please write where you're from. I'm from Angola. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. When you know, you know, guys. Let's wait and see what happens. We need a close of the 1 hour candle above that level. If the close is above that level, we are good to go. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's wait here and see what happens. This is our setup. We just have to wait for the close of the 1 hour candle. This 15-minute candle closes in 12 minutes. If it also closes in 15 minutes like this, we're good, because right here we have fair value gap, okay? And this fair value gap can give us a continuation of the move to the upside, because we need to fill this imbalance here, and this is going to become then a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful head and shoulder pattern. Okay, a beautiful inverted heads and shoulder pattern, indicating bullish continuation and trend reversal. Guys, this is going to be amazing. I'm glad I'm actually your instructor for today, and thank you for the preference. Okay, so this stream is not gonna be very long. I'm going to stream for 1 hour maximum. So let's wait. Ok. Let's check. Vamos lá ver o que está a acontecer no DXY. Ok. 50%. This has gone through the buy zone. Let's see S&P 500, German 30, Dow Jones, Bitcoin. looking for our setup so that we can continue. I lost my gold analysis. Where is it? Is it this one? It's not this one. Então, para o pessoal que entrou agora, nós praticamente fizemos isso. Marcamos a mínima e a máxima do dia de ontem, que é PDH. Aqui nós marcamos a mínima, que é PDL. depois ok, procuramos marcar a nossa zona primária de interesse, nosso POI, foi algo assim, ok, e depois fomos marcando os nossos TPs, né? Esse target. Isso aqui passa a ser nosso TDL mais Xauusd liquidity mais IRL, na boa, tanto faz. Até pode ser, não, esta aqui pode ser assim. Nosso target. Okay, so family, this is our view for London session. Hopefully things go our way. We have set our pending orders. For those of you who are positioned already, good luck. I'll see you again during the New York session. What is left to do is only to hold the trade or to set buy limits in case it comes back, because we have fair value gaps around here and we could see price possibly trying to tap this level, come back and then go. Enjoy, like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next live stream during the New York session. Okay, goodbye.